Good morning everybody, and you joined us here on our last morning in the Blue Mountains. We've made it to Lincoln's Rock this morning, where we're going to go over to the rock. Oh, the flies here are ridiculous.
Wow, that's quite enough of that. We'll come back to that a little later.
Oh, do we have to?
Anyway, back to the start. We're Chris and Kirsty, and we are currently sharing our journey along the east coast of Australia through the highest highs and the less than perfect moments.
In this episode, we have finally made it to Sydney. After spending a few days there seeing friends, we headed to the most breathtaking national park, the Blue Mountains.
We actually got up nice and early at the crack of dawn this morning to watch the sunrise, and we took a little walk down from our campsite to the Three Sisters, and I have to say it was definitely worth it. Take a look at this.
A short walk from our campsite, Katoomba Falls Tourist Park, we headed to the Three Sisters for a stunning orange sunrise.
The next stop on our day of exploring was the Grand Canyon walking track. This took us around 2 hours 45 minutes, but we stopped many times to take in the views of this beautiful canyon, cross the streams and soak up the waterfalls.
Good morning everyone, and here you join us on our last morning in the Blue Mountains, and we're here at Lincoln's Rock. I was going to get out of the car and start talking to you on the way, but the flies here are ridiculous. I'm getting attacked left, right and centre by them. So I've retreated back to the van quickly to do this quick introduction, and yeah, we'll see you there.
It's your t-shirts.
They smell quite nice.
Oh my god.
We've just climbed up into the cave. Check out this view. Unbelievable. Got some sick drone footage. Check it out now.
So we're on the road again, we're just leaving the Blue Mountains. Actually feeling quite sad to be leaving. We really enjoyed our time there. Lots to do, lots of nice walks, and we recommend it if you are heading down the East Coast and you get some time to visit the Blue Mountains. It's definitely worth spending a few days there. We could have actually spent a little bit longer there, but I feel like we did make the most of our time. Anyway, it's sad to be leaving, but also very excited to be heading on to our next destination. We're actually taking a drive out of the Blue Mountains now towards the Seacliff Bridge, and then I believe we're taking the Pacific Drive all the way down to Jarvis Bay. Obviously again back on the coast, so a little bit different scenery to what we've had over the last few days, but very excited to be heading on to the new location. The Seacliff Bridge is absolutely stunning to drive over, but it was actually this hidden spot that we were really interested in. And to get there you must pass a danger sign and climb a sketchy track. But it was totally worth it. What do you think?